If you are currently struggling with the error code b78ee29c on the NBA 2K24, then you are not alone. There are several complaints from the players reporting the same error on Twitter and Reddit. The error code reads, "There is a problem with your connection to our online services." As per our research, this error may occur at different parts of the game, but primarily it comes when users try to claim their unopened packs. As per most of the users' complaints, they didn't get their login bonus, and when they try to open their unopened packs, this error code pops up. In their complaints, users also shared that they have noticed some other unusual things along with this error, such as they have completed the challenges but the game doesn't count it. To fix the error, firstly, ensure there are no pending updates for the game or your device. It's always a good idea to stay up to date with the latest software. Next, try closing and restarting the game. If the error persists, consider restarting your device and your internet connection. If these steps prove unfruitful, it's time to check the game server status. NBA 2K's official Twitter handle is a reliable source for recent announcements related to potential issues with the game. If there are no recent updates on the NBA 2K Twitter account, head over to www.nba2k.com/gamestatus. This official page provides real-time updates on the game's server status. If you discover that the servers are indeed facing issues, the best course of action is patience. Wait a few hours before trying again. Keep an eye on the NBA 2K Twitter account for any updates related to the game's issues. If the error continues for an extended period, don't hesitate to tweet at the NBA 2K official Twitter account to report the problem. In summary, to resolve the NBA 2K24 error code b78ee29c, follow these steps. Ensure there are no pending updates for the game or your device. Restart the game. Restart your device and internet connection. Check the game server status via NBA 2K's official Twitter handle or www.nba2k.com/gamestatus. If the error persists, report the problem to NBA 2K via their official Twitter account. Remember, patience is key. Good luck, and may the gaming gods be with you. If you like this information, don't forget to subscribe. It will be a great support. And for more tech updates, visit queries.com.